We'll guide you through how to fix support.apple.com/iPhone/restore on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So what this is here is recovery mode. Perhaps you went and purposely put your iPhone in here, or you're not quite sure how you ended up in here, and you want to go and fix it and get out of it and go and continue using your iPhone. We're going to guide you through this. So if your iPhone is currently connected to a computer, then what you can do is you can go and do a restore on it. In the Apple Devices app, you can continue or find it on an iPhone, but you don't have to do that. You can just go and exit this and return to your iPhone, or you can do that with a button combination. So you can go and press volume increase, decrease, and you tap and hold the side button. We're going to do that live now. Just press volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Now go and wait. Shortly it's going to go black, as you can see, but go and keep it held down. Shortly it should go and start, and you'll know that because you're seeing the Apple icon appear like that, and you go and release. And now it's coming back on. So just go and be patient, and you should then be brought to the lock screen very shortly. As you can see, here we are. So that's it. That is how it's done. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with another how-to.